The Pay It Forward program is a program that was funded by the Christopher and Dana Reeve Foundation to help individuals with some form of paralysis. We have focused that program on pediatric mobility equipment.
The Pay It Forward program allows us to take any equipment donated to us, double check it and make sure everything works properly, and allows us to give it back to somebody else.
We have a daughter, Winnie, and I saw that they had this adaptive tricycle. It's been like a game changer. We were just riding her tricycle just like an hour ago, actually. So she's on it all the time.
Aiden is currently 10 years old. He is diagnosed with Credus Shaw, but it's, the tricycle now has been wonderful. It's giving us the opportunity to see if it will in fact work, because it is a large investment.
We really want to see children be able to continue to improve and have that quality of life. So we want this program to grow.